Many social media marketing gurus have confirmed the availability of capturing, sharing short videos of important brand moments on different social media platforms. It should be noted that there are countless brand moments that can be captured and shared with the intention of effective marketing your brand to a wide range of Instagram users. For instance, preview of upcoming products and highlights of specific brand launches and functions can be shared on your Instagram in the form of a short video. In addition to that, you can decide to share important news in your Instagram page in the form of short videos as a mechanism of wooing support from your existing and potential followers. Through this, you can be able to cultivate a wide range of following, thereby increasing your chances of succeeding in your promotional efforts on Instagram. Driving promotional awareness and co-create content with your audience and sharing them in the form of short videos also amounts to important brand moments that can be shared on your Instagram page. Additionally, creating videos that highlight your fans appreciating your brand can also be considered as important brand moments. Such videos can be shared on your Instagram page as a way of confirming to your audience the participation of your customers toward building your brand image. Therefore, it's advisable to capture and share short videos of your important brand moments if you need to promote your business effectively on Instagram.